Imagine having a hyper-realistic digital avatar that not only looks like you, but also speaks with perfectly synced lip movements.
This all for free and with no watermarks. Whether you're creating content for social media, business presentations, or just for fun, this technology can take your digital presence to the next level.
In today's video, I'll walk you through the entire process, from generating your high-quality avatar to making it talk in real time, without spending a single dollar. Let's get started. The platforms we'll be using today: Lumen AI, Kling AI, and DreamFace, advanced AI-driven tools that create stunningly realistic avatars. At the end of this video, I will provide you a full premium unlock tool, which is also absolutely free, with which you can create an avatar for your video, and that too with lip sync. So first, you have to watch this video till the end without skipping it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI tutorials like this. Let's dive into it. First, open Lumen AI. Now you have to sign up here. You can sign up with any of your Gmail accounts. I have already signed in. After this, just scroll down and click on Generate for free. Now we have to give prompt in this box for image generation. I have already prepared the prompt. In this prompt, you can edit the outfit and your channel name and outfit color of your avatar. I give in outfit, shirt, and channel name, TechVid AI, and color black. You can find this prompt in the video description. All right, now copy this prompt and paste in this box. Now select the ratio 16:9. Go to the back and click on Generate. Lumen will create the image very quickly from the prompt and give it to you in just a few seconds. If you don't like this image, you can regenerate. Paste your prompt again in this box and click on Generate. Now you can download this image. Click on the image and click on 3 dot and click on Download. Now we will enhance the image quality with Canva. Open Canva and add image into it. Now remove the image background. After that, add image again in the background like this. Now click on Adjust. Click on Auto Adjust. After that, increase image sharpness and clarity. Now click on this and click on Download. After this, go to the video creation section. Open Kling AI, click on Video. Now click on Select File. Add your image into it. After this, describe your image into this box. Click on Generate. Your image creation submitted successfully. Now click on History. Just click on Video and click on this for download the video. You can see the results. Here you can see that watermark has appeared on the video. You can remove it with the help of any video editor tool. I will show you how to remove it from CapCut. Now it's time to add voice to this video. That too with lip sync. Right now we have only got 5 seconds video. Now we will generate final video with lip sync according to the video script with DreamFace. We can make videos up to 30 seconds with DreamFace. You will get this app on Play Store. But let me tell you that this is a paid tool. But don't worry, I have a solution for this too. I will provide you this Unlock Premium app just for free. You can find this tool on my Telegram account. I will give Telegram link in description. So you can easily get this Unlock Premium app. Just go to the link and open the Telegram link and download this app. After downloading the app, you have to install it and open it. Now from here, you have to watch the video till the end without skipping. If you want to really learn this tool and create a realistic avatar, here you will see an interface like this. You don't need to sign up here. Just click on Video Lip Sync. Now click on Avatar. Select your avatar video. Now it's time to generate voice for avatar. Here you can generate your avatar voice with DreamFace, this providing so many pro voices. But I recommend you which voice you have used in your video. You should also do that in your avatar video. For this, click on Add Script to continue. Now click on Import. Here you will have to keep it prepared your voice in advance. If you want to use your voice, then you have to record it beforehand. And also, if you want to use AI voice, then you have to keep it generated. Like this, I've already prepared my voice. I'm using 11 Labs voice. Now select the voice. Here you can adjust your audio size. Keep in mind, here you can make a video of 30 seconds, so your audio length should be 30 seconds or less than. Now click on Confirm. And click on Animate. Click on Animate Image. Your video will be ready for download in a few seconds. Here you can save this in HD version. Now you can see the final results. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how we can create a hyper-realistic avatar with lip sync just for free without pay any single dollar. Now I'm going to show you how to create a video with the DreamFace premium voices. Just click on voice. Here you find so many pro voices. We have premium, so we can use any premium voice for free. Listen these voices first and select the perfect voice according to your avatar. I select this. Click on Confirm. Now add your script to continue. Here you can add your voice as we add before, or you can record your voice also. Apart from this, you can also type your script here. I will show you create by script typing. Just type your script. And click on Confirm. Now click on Animate. Click on Animate Image. In just a few seconds, you will get your video here. Save this in HD version. Now see the results.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Video. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create an ultra-realistic avatar with 2 lip sync.
This is also good if you want. You can create a like this, but I will recommend you to create your avatar according to your voice, which one you used in your video. And there you have it. Your very own ultra-realistic avatar created 100% free. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, experiment, and bring your digital persona to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing free tools and tutorials. Which avatar style was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs a cool avatar too.